I think the most important thing probably is to not wait for perfect solutions, but rather take the best available option on the market, deploy it, and then work to make it better. So we're at a point in time now where it's about scaling, not about doing individual projects, but really getting this up to scale. And so far we can see the results. 90% of our deliveries in China are already electric, and China is a huge market for us. We're fully electric in Amsterdam, in Paris. We've deployed electric vehicles in more than 20 countries by now, including India, US, Australia. So it's really all across the world, just to make it happen as quickly as we possibly can. Finding the partners who wants to go on this journey with you, and then see, what do I bring to the table? What can you bring to the table? What do we need? And I think where we see the best result is really where we have gotten together with other players in the industry, vehicle manufacturers, transporters, local policy makers, charging infrastructure companies, and really see, okay, what can you do? What can I do? What can we do together? How do we make this happen quicker?